I know, I've seen that. I think I might have got you on.
I got a picture of me and Mrs. Dog.
Shit, the picture. I wish I can get up closer. I can't really see that well. I wish I could zoom in. Oh, wait, zoom in.
Why don't you guys bring me in here to eat? Huh? You have good tacos? Yeah, come inside. Beth looks like she's hungry.
Huh. Right there. Say a prayer.
I wouldn't want to shake his hand, you know. I got to shake his wife's hand, man.
Yeah.
I'm into the women.
I wish you would get a little closer, man. Yeah. I don't know how to zoom in on this shit. You know that?
You what?
I don't know how to work my fucking phone to zoom in. Zoom it in, dude. Oh, my pants are falling down. I should have put my belt on. Damn it.
We get back some.
Sure.
We're going to have to get back some. They are trying to film.
Okay.
They're trying to film. They're all working. Yeah.
Hi. How are you?
Jamie?
Hi, how are you? We're all doing the same thing, huh? I know. They must have caught the person, huh?
The biggest thing that's ever happened to Sheridan today.
I know. Exactly. Nothing happens there, you know?
You know, I come screaming up on my fucking motorcycle. I just go.
I know,
right
you
over
think you just go right over there. They got pissed off when you did that, too. I wish they would get a little closer.
Everybody a parachute. Fucking over this thing. You do a cigarette and bust it. Yep. The job you with the job? Yep. And the girl is drunk.
We all make mistakes, come on. Everybody does. That's what you forgive.
I was never one who
He's been down before. He can Darn respect. right he
You
has.
have to have been there to respect it.
Darn right he has.
You have to be there to respect it.
Well, I pulled up around here in the corner and it was like these guys. About done.
Standing, I was in my truck, had the key to the ignition, all of a sudden that black